Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Ma'am Sir. I'm Clyde Kevin Rotea, 39 years old, single mom with two kids, boys and girls, and ages 15 and 6 years old. I'm 2 years graduate, course medical dental nursing assistant.
Are you single or you have a live-in partner?
I have a common law partner.
Okay. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and two sisters. I am the second of the family.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong to earn money in order to support my family financially.
Who will take care of your kids?
My common law partner will taking care of my kids.
Okay. Do you have any working experience before abroad?
In my working experience in Kuwait since 2016 to 2018, I've been taking care of three children, ages 8, 4, and 2 years old. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the children, cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and marketing. In Saudi, since 2021 to 2023, I served one couple with two kids, 2 years old and a 5 month old. And my duties and responsibilities are taking care of the children and do all the household chores.
Okay. So both are finished contract, right?
Yes, no sir.
Okay. You're the only maid in the house in Kuwait?
Yes,
Also in Saudi?
yes,
Do you love cooking?
yes.
What food can you cook?
I can cook Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
In your previous employers, did you cook in their house?
Yes, no sir.
Okay. So if a baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, first I will check the diaper. Maybe the diaper is wet, and I will change it. Or maybe I'll sing a song or I'll feed the milk. And lastly, I will check the temperature.
Okay, if baby or children is naughty, what will you do?
I will encourage them to by playing or singing them a song like counting numbers, alphabet, and
Do you have a long patience for them?
yes, ma'am, sir. I will do. I have a great patience with them, and I will try to find a way to catch their attention.
Okay, very good. If the baby or children is sick in Hong Kong, what will you do?
And first, I will check the temperature, and I will put cold fever on the baby's head. And lastly, I will tell the parents that the baby needs to check up.
Okay, do you know how to sing a song for the baby?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, can you sing now?
Yes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Then eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, thank you. Are you scared, dogs and cats?
Not really because I have dog and cat in our home.
Okay, what food is allergy?
I don't have any food allergy.
So you eat everything, right?
Yes.
Okay. So if ever your employer have a car and you need to do the car washing without extra pay, are you okay?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Can you not go to holiday but will pay by your employer?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, are you willing to cut your short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am, sir.
Can you promise to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me. I'm a good helper. I'm willing to learn and I can work under pressure and I promise to finish my 2 years contract and as long as my employer needed me, hope your positive feedback. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you.